Do not remove pull tabs until further instructed. Remove liner by opening contact closure straps and lifting it out of the device. Place lower leg and foot into the liner and inner booty. Close the inner booty and then the liner snugly over the foot and leg. Insert foot into the device by gently spreading the struts outward. Ensure the struts are centered over the ankle bone. The lower leg should be kept at a 90-degree angle with the foot, and ensure that no gap is in between the liner, heel, and the strut. Remove pull tabs located in between the struts and the liner. This allows the liner to be secured into position. Pulling the tabs in a forward, downward direction makes them easier to remove. Remove foot from the device. Cover wound with materials such as a transparent film dressing, tape, gauze, etc. Mark material with a transferable mark using iodine, lipstick, indelible ink, pencil, etc. Place foot inside the device. Ensure a proper location of the patient's foot before transferring the mark to the insole surface. Close the inner booty and then liner snugly over the foot and leg. Bear weight to ensure transfer of relief zone mark. After the patient returns to a seated position, remove the foot from the device. Remove marked hex plugs from the insole. Caution: this device should not be used if the relieved area is too large and inhibits pressure relief by allowing the ulcer or wound to bottom out. Cut the edges of hex plugs surrounding the relief zone with a cutting tool such as a scalpel or scissors. Note: to provide additional support, a transparent film dressing can be placed over the relief zone, or a low-density foam can be used as a filler inside the relief zone, no more than 0.5 or 1 centimeters thick. Fasten the contact closure straps starting at the ankle, foot, and then working upwards. Strap adjustments may be necessary with changes in lower limb volume. Undo the straps in any order and attach the straps back to themselves. This will make it easier when fitting the device next time and will prolong the life of the straps. Open the liner to lift the foot and lower leg out of the device.